Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to open Petit Vour box. This is an old Petit Vour box. I don't actually know how old. I just do know that I accidentally canceled my subscription and restarted it because I was wondering, why haven't I got one? So I think I only canceled 1 month. I think June was the only month, so this might be May or might be April. I don't know the last time that I unboxed it on my channel, but I did find this one. They usually come at the end of the month. So even though I've just renewed, I probably won't get my July one for a while. So we're gonna do this one instead. I really love their inserts. They're always so pretty. This says bloom something happy. Bloom and be happy. That's a weird ampersand, but bloom and be happy. And it's made out of flowers. I think it's right, April showers, May flowers. I bet this is May. So we're not too far behind, but I hadn't opened it. It was still sealed. Can anyone else do that? Like leave a box that's come and not open it the day you get it? I used to not be able to do that, but for some reason I've just got so many boxes now that I think maybe some of the excitement is gone, or I'm just like really busy. I don't know, but now sometimes they sit there in a pile waiting for me to unbox them and share them with you guys. And yeah, I used to not be able to control myself. Like the box would get there and I'd have to film the video that day because I just like really wanted to know what was inside. So the reason I love this box is everything in it is cruelty free. And when I was going through my cruelty-free journey and trying to switch over all of my favorite brands, many of them that weren't cruelty-free, to cruelty-free versions, I had kind of a hard time, or I was maybe trying to do too much too quickly. This makes it a little bit more manageable. It's called Petit Vour, sort of like Petit Four. So it's kind of like a small bite. I think they're desserts or appetizers, to be honest. I can't fully remember. Typically also 4 items, so even more closely related to Petit Four that way. I like it because it's 100% cruelty free. I also like it because it's not too expensive. So right now I re-signed up annually. Annually you pay $216, which makes it $18 a box for 12 boxes. Obviously, 12, what else could it be? If you want to pay per box, it's $21. And that's in the US. They also have Canada prices and they also have worldwide prices. So you can actually get this box no matter where you are. First item I pulled out is a full-size item. It is an item I've received before. I don't know if it's in this box or a different box, but it's from Anatomy. And the reason I know I've received it before is because it has this really nifty sharpener right on top to sharpen the pencil inside. And you can remove that. So if you just want this in your makeup bag and you want this separately, or you can leave it on so that it's really easily accessible. And then there we go. This one's in a black color, noir. And it's really kind of creamy and it's good for making kind of a smoky eye look. I like the creamy, really easy to glide on, and then having the sharpener. So clutch, because there's so many times that I stop using a pencil just because I don't have my sharpener near me and I'm like, well, oh well, I don't have it. That's a $21 retail value for that full size, because it comes with that sharpener. I don't know. I think $21 is like a normal, like expensive eyeliner, but there's plenty of really good discount eyeliners that give you really great smudgy, nice, like the reason I like this one is because right now I've been smudging mine a little bit more. I like that like less perfect clean look. That's just been my thing. So I actually reach for this one. I have a little eyeliner container and I actually reach for this one because I like that to smudge out the edge a little bit. Let's see, should I do these in order? Let's do them in order. We'll get to that next. Next is from Upcircle. If you watch this channel regularly or if you follow me on Instagram, you might know that I have my own subscription box, and in my subscription box you have seen the Upcircle brand multiple times. So I love the Upcircle brand, not only because they're cruelty free, but also because they upcycle materials, ingredients. This might not be upcycled because I think they typically upcycle waste, like coffee grounds are in their coffee scrub, and it's waste that they collect from coffee shops. So it's interesting that they make sure some of those things don't go to waste. That's really nice. Easy drawstring bag. Also really nice for washing them if you throw them in the washing machine. But you gotta be careful what you put on them. Doesn't get all over your clothes as well. And that's what that cotton round looks like. Has a little hoop too for hanging her up. Great brand. It doesn't say anywhere on the box that if one of these things is upcycled. Upcircle is because they upcycle, like I said, that waste. It doesn't say anything on here that is. Typically it says it right on the top. Like this includes whatever that was upcycled. So this might not be one of those. And the Upcircle is also a full-size product at $13. So we have a $34 retail value. This next one also looks like it could be full size as well. This is typical size of what I've seen from Dr. Botanicals before. This is a turmeric super food restoring treatment mask. It says it works for all food types. It's vegan friendly, natural skincare, cruelty free and vegan. I do trust that this box, because even everything in their shop is cruelty free, I do trust that this box does actually do all the work it needs to do to find out if something is cruelty free or not. It says it's made in the UK. I don't see the ingredients on here, so I can't talk too much about what's in the mask and what it does. That must mean this isn't full size, or maybe just because it's not in its home box, you know, the little box it comes in. Oh, smells really good. It smells like cooking herbs. I don't know which one, and lavender. Oh yeah, that smells really good. Okay, sometimes it's hard for me to tell without that ingredients list. I definitely don't want to misspeak, but there's 100% lavender in here. It's a clean beauty formula that combines the power of turmeric root, sea buckthorn fruit oil, which is really full of antioxidants, brightens, smooth, and hydrates the skin. With organic ingredients and skin nourishing peptides, this mask helps to improve the skin's texture, plumpness, and overall health. This as the retail value is $20. So now we have a total of $54 for $18. I got this for I got $54 already in value, and I actually would use all three of those things. The last one is got to be a sample size because look at how little he is, and this is from Gold, Fat, and MD. I actually found this brand through Petit Vour. Like this is the box where I was introduced to this, and I have purchased some things. This is the needleless line smoothing concentrate, and theirs says the smoothing serum is the ultimate non-invasive solution to reduce the appearance of fine line depth, increase skin suppleness, and create a smooth, flawless finish. Pure hyaluronic acid and advanced hexapeptides makes skin feel plump, appear firm, and diminish the appearance of fine lines and deep creases. This is saying fine lines. Obviously, I guess if the bottle here says deep lines, must be like if you're taking care of deep lines, it's also taking care of fine lines. Those are my 4 items. That's definitely a sample, and on this it says $10 retail value, so that brings me up to $64 for my 18. Even if I would have paid 21, more than double the retail value, all completely cruelty free. Introduction to new brands, maybe not for me anymore because I've been getting this box for years now, but maybe introduction to new brands for you if you haven't seen these brands before. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite product in my box was, or if you get this box and got a different May box. I know there are some slight variations because you do take a survey, but when I've watched some of them boxings, most of them do have a duplicate, at least one item being a duplicate. Let me know what you thought of this box. Let me know what you thought of your box if you get this box down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!